Hello guys, today I'm going to show you 5 different websites that feels illegal to know. First, head over to your browser and search DocGPT. DocGPT gives you specific search queries. We call them docs. Docs are specific search queries that you use on Google to get direct links to a particular thing. So if you want to search or get the links to a particular kind of service and you don't feel like searching it on Google to get the junk data from the rankings, then go directly to this website, DocGPT. Click on the first link. Once you see this page, just type whatever thing you want to search here and you click on generate. This website will give you the exact doc you should use. You can see the doc here. I searched for digital marketing courses and this is the doc I got. Site udemy.com digital marketing free courses. So now copy this and I'll go to the next tab and search. I'll just paste that inside the search engine and I hit enter. Let's see what I get. You see, they're giving me different links to different free digital marketing courses, all on Udemy. So you can change the query if you don't want it to be specific to Udemy. Follow it or click on the link to see the options you have and choose exactly what you want. The second website is FaceCheck. Just go to your browser and type FaceCheck. Click on the first link. Now you will see this interface. You can click on browse and select the image of any person you want to search on the internet. Once you upload the image, this website will bring out their social medias, bring out every information that has a tag to their face, be it their different social medias, maybe blogs that they have been posted and all of that. The next website on our list is Wi-Fi Map. Go to your browser and search Wi-Fi Map. You click on the first link. You're going to be redirected to this page. You can input any city, enter any city here. I'll just choose Yaoundé, that's my city. And you see I have only 60 Wi-Fi out of 583 shown. This is because I'm using the web app. If I want to use the mobile app, I'll have access to all of these 583 Wi-Fi and I can actually click and see their password. You see this one here, they say show password, get the application. So if you download the application and you search, follow this same process, you're going to see the Wi-Fi names and password. This is for educational purpose only. The next website we have is MindLoster. Just type MindLoster in your search browser. Click on the first link, it will redirect you to this page. You can search for any course and you will have them for free. I'll just search ethical hacking. You can see ethical hacking courses for free. If I search digital marketing, the same thing. You see a lot of tools. You have AI tools, web development, programming languages, all for free. So if you're ready to start learning and you don't have money for paid courses, you can go to this website, MindLoster, sign up and get free courses.